In April 2024, the US government passed a law with major implications for TikTok. This law demands a drastic change for the popular social media platform. TikTok must be sold by its current owner, the Chinese company ByteDance. If not sold, the app faces a total ban in the US. The deadline? January 19, 2025. This looming date has turned the situation into a race against time, leaving millions of American TikTok users and creators in limbo. The stakes are high. TikTok, known for its short-form videos, has become a cultural phenomenon. It boasts over 150 million users in the US alone. The app's potential ban has sparked intense debate. Is it a necessary measure to protect national security, or is it an overreach of government power that stifles free speech? On January 10, 2025, the US Supreme Court entered the fray. The highest court in the land held a hearing on the TikTok ban. This pivotal hearing saw legal teams from both sides presenting their arguments. The outcome of this legal battle will have far-reaching consequences. It could set a precedent for how the US government regulates foreign-owned tech companies. The world is watching. Tension filled the air in the Supreme Court chamber on January 10, 2025. All eyes were on the justices as they heard arguments regarding the TikTok ban. The central issue at hand was the US government's demand for TikTok's sale. The government argues this is crucial to safeguard national security. Representing TikTok was lawyer Noel Francisco. He argued that the app operates independently in the US. Francisco asserted that TikTok US does not share data with its parent company, ByteDance. Furthermore, he claimed the Chinese government holds no sway over the platform. Forcing TikTok to separate from ByteDance, including its renowned algorithm, would be devastating. Francisco argued it would cripple the platform and fundamentally change its nature. Countering these claims was U.S. Solicitor General Elizabeth Prelogar. She represented the government's stance. Prelogar asserted that the law does not infringe upon First Amendment rights. Instead, she argued, it aims to prevent China from accessing valuable data of U.S. users. She stressed the importance of preventing any foreign government from exerting control over such a widely used platform. TikTok's legal team didn't stop at denying data sharing and Chinese government influence. They took their argument a step further, bringing up the First Amendment. This amendment, a cornerstone of U.S. law, guarantees freedom of speech. TikTok's lawyers argued that banning the app would be a direct violation of this fundamental right. They emphasized that millions of Americans use TikTok to express themselves, share their creativity, and connect with others. Banning the app, they contended, would silence these voices and limit this avenue of free expression. This argument resonated with many, raising questions about the balance between national security concerns and individual liberties. Adding another layer to the debate was the involvement of content creators. These individuals, who rely on TikTok for their livelihood and creative outlet, voiced their concerns. They argued that the ban would not only infringe upon their freedom of expression, but also have dire economic consequences. Their livelihoods built on the platform would vanish overnight. The government, however, stood firm in its position. The central argument revolved around the potential risks of leaving TikTok under ByteDance's control. The US government stressed the importance of securing user data and preventing foreign influence. They argued that the potential for espionage and data breaches posed a significant threat to national security. The case presented by the government was robust, focusing on the broader implications of data security in an increasingly digital world. The stakes, they argued, were too high to ignore.